Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So here you can see it. When you see this error, try again later in your Instagram. So how you can fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing you need to try it's just you need to know that you need to wait some time until you can again just follow someone or like someone photo or comment photos. You just need to wait until you will be able for doing this, because mostly you receive the error because you made too much actions, same actions. So like following people, you just follow too many people, or you just like too much people. So you just need to fix this way. You need to wait, or you can also try to change your internet connection. So just open the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. So just change your internet connection. And but also you just need to wait some time until Instagram will unblock this section for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.